ठीक है, बाकी लोग आएंगे तो वो ज्वाइन कर लेंगे. So today do we will begin with a smile meditation. Okay, so I don't know whether you have heard about it or not, but it is very simple. Like like from past 2-3 sessions, we are like just focusing or maybe building this awareness towards our breath, right? Your natural breath, the ingoing and outgoing breath. But today, what you have to do, you just have to smile. Okay, smile as in as broad as you can, and just be with it for 5 minutes. Okay, and in between, if you feel like uh, you know, uh, sometimes it feels like I'm not feeling like to smile. Matlab, my mood is not really nice. I don't want to smile. Okay, if that is the case, then also you have to smile. Okay, whether it is a natural smile or the unnatural smile, that smile should be there. Okay, and just be aware for your smile. In between, if you start losing it, then just be aware and then bring it back on your face. Okay, so we will do it only for 5 minutes. No matter if your cheeks are paining, your lips are paining, or whatever is happening, but you just need to smile. Okay, at least for 5 minutes. Shall we start? आइए. So just sit comfortably, back slightly straight. Close your eyes very gently and start smiling. Smile. That is your innate nature. Continue it as broad, as big. You can make it. Please do that. And just be aware of this beautiful smile of yours for the next 5 minutes. If you start losing it in between, then just be aware and bring it back again and again and again. Keep smiling.
ओहा प्रेम पीरी प्रेम पीरी ओहा प्रेम पीरी प्रेम पीरी कनिक मानिक गजमोती अनलालन नह नह नहीं ओहा प्रेम पीरी प्रेम पीरी राज न पाग न हुक्म न साधन किच किच न चाहे चरणन सरनन संतन बंदन सुखो सुख पाहे। नानक तपत हरि तपत हरे, मिले प्रेम पीरे प्रेम पीरे। नानक तपत हरि तपत हरे, मिले प्रेम पीरे प्रेम पीरे। ओहा प्रेम पीरे प्रेम पीरे। ओहा प्रेम पीरे प्रेम पीरे। कनिक मानिक गज मोती अनलालन, नह नह नहीं। ओहा प्रेम पीरे प्रेम पीरे। राज न पाग न हुक्म न साधन, किछ किछ न चाहे। चरणन शरणन संतन बंदन, सुखो सुख पाहे। नानक तपत हरि तपत हरे, मिले प्रेम पीरे प्रेम पीरे। नानक तपत हरि तपत हरे, मिले प्रेम पीरे प्रेम पीरे।
Bring your smile back. Just be aware of this smile. And now, try to smile from your heart, not only from your face, but really feel it from your heart and share all these smiles to all the people in your surrounding, the people, whether you know them or maybe they are stranger to you. Just send all these smiles, all this love to all the people around you. Just imagine their face, imagine their presence in your life, and keep sharing, keep sending.
नानक तपत हरि तपत हरे, मिले प्रेम पीरे प्रेम पीरे। प्रेम पीरी प्रेम पीरी ओहा प्रेम पीरी प्रेम पीरी कनिक मानिक गज मोती अनलालन नह नह नहीं ओहा प्रेम पीरी प्रेम पीरी राज न पाग न हुक्म न
Keeping this smile on your face, just bring your awareness towards the floor you are sitting upon, towards the room you are right now. And holding this beautiful smile on your face, slowly and gently, you can open your eyes. Namaste. Good evening, everyone. Have a good and smiley evening to everyone. Okay. So, how are you feeling right now? How is the day for you? And how is it for you? Maybe in one or two lines, if you like to share.
Hi everyone.
Yes, Bella.
दोपहर तक मैं सोच रही थी आई माइट नॉट बी एबल टू हैव द क्लास टुडे क्योंकि मेरी मम्मी की तबीयत ठीक नहीं थी लेकिन अब अचानक सडनली शी इज फीलिंग वेल नाउ आई एम एबल टू हैव द क्लास सो आई एम रियली फीलिंग ग्रेटफुल राइट नाउ कि आई एम एबल टू अटेंड राइट नाउ सो आई एम फीलिंग हैप्पी राइट नाउ एंड गुड एज वेल एंड mama is okay so that is also relieving right now.
Right. Okay, great. Anybody else?
Yeah, good evening, everyone. So, like for a couple of years, like there a lot of things were stored inside me, which I never had the courage, to even to express it to my mother. I mean, so finally, for last 2 days and all, like my mom was not even ready to listen to it. She was not, but I just thought that I must tell it in a manner so that she doesn't become defensive. So I've been able to tell how I felt about certain things which happened long time back, but was still stored inside me. So I was able to express that how those things which my parents or others in the family they did and how it has affected me and how it is still it was stored inside me, and I think kind of healing has happened like after I shared that how I felt because of those events.
Mm, mm, mm. Okay, okay. Anybody else? Navni?
I feel so happy like right now after doing the meditation. And I realized when I was meditating and I was smiling, I felt like so much love inside me. And when you said like give it to everyone in your surroundings, and then it was just so nice. And I was literally laughing in between. I was so happy. Just this curving of lips. So I wasn't really very happy for the past 2-3 days. But right now I feel really good. Thank you so much.
We can see that, Navni. Wow, so good to hear this. Great. Satya, would you like to share?
Yeah, Namaskaram. Um, I feel very happy, but suddenly I think this is, I want to continue. This is so long, but suddenly you say that to open the eyes, but I don't know. This is 5 minutes. No, this I feel that this is 1 or 2 minutes. This very happy. That, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Satya. Aditi ji, would you like to share anything?
Yeah, like Satya, I think I just wanted to continue. The music was too good, and with the smile added a lot of connection. Otherwise, I'm feeling, I would say, rested. I could rest today, and yeah.
Thank you. Lakshna, would you like to share?
Sorry.
Yeah. So there is,
और
I think,
आपके दूसरे डिवाइस में आपको म्यूट करना पड़ेगा.
actually she's muted on the another device also, but then also the sound is like, echoing, not like echoing, but multiplying. Okay. You can try again, Lakshna. Maybe from another device. Unmute yourself from another device and then.
मैम एक्चुअली ना मैंने लेट ज्वाइन किया.
Okay. It's still happening.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It's okay. So maybe in the next session or nothing new, just smile. So we have a time limitation in this session, so we did it only for 5 minutes, but you have 24 hours in a day, so you can smile 24 hours, isn't it? I so with this smile. So today, just we will determine ourselves that whatever we will be doing in the next uh, 1 hour or whatever time we have for today, uh, we will do it with smile. Okay, whether like if we are enjoying the moment movement, obviously then the smile will naturally be there. Even if we are not enjoying or we are struggling with some movement or some footwork, then also we will try to do it with a smile. Okay, so let's start with Bhumi Pranam with a smile. लक्षणा आप भी वीडियो ऑन कर सकते हैं तो मैं आपको भी थोड़ा देख पाऊंगी. Yes. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 1. Perfect. So let's start with Guru Vandana. I hope you practice it very well. So let's do it. Take a position for Guru Vandana.
कुछ स्टेप्स में थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन है बट आई थिंक एंड में वी कैन
यस एक बार ही वन गो में कर जाते हैं, है ना, एंड देन चलिए.
गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः
Okay. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different versions of Guru Vandana I could see on the screen. So what to do now? Tell me. Okay. So one thing, major correction. I'll just quickly do that, and then you can ask if you have any other. So one thing is when we are doing Gurura Brahma, Gurura Vishnu, so we will be taking 2 rounds. Okay, Bela, you are taking only 1 round every time. Okay, so we will be taking 2 rounds, and when we are doing Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha in the first and the second Tasmai, the third is the simple one. The Bhumi Pranam is there. But in the first Tasmai and in the second Tasmai, so we will just wait for the Nikas to be happened. Like, I mean to say you did Tasmai. So you can just break it with the word like Tasmai pe, you just did this, the flower thing. And no, sorry, Tasmai pe you hold the flowers. And Shri pe you did this. And then Guruve Namaha pe you are just, moving your hand. Yeah, from the down. Like there are 2-3 ways to make the nikas, but here we will just round it from the down and then up. Yes. Okay, and we will take the full time of this Guruve Namaha because it is little stretched, right? So Tasmai Shri and then Guruve Namaha. Okay, when this comes Namaha, then the nikas should be completed. Not like Tasmai Shri, Guruve pe we are and then Namaha pe it is silent. No. Okay. So the full filler. Okay. So same in both the directions. Okay. And one more thing. Yes, Lakshna, when we are doing that Maheshwara movement, okay, so the same thing was happening. You don't need to put your one leg on the another leg, like as we do when we are sitting on a chair like that, okay. So both the legs are far from each other. One is on the floor and another is just holding, like, you have to lift it in the air, okay. So don't take support of the another leg, okay, to lift the right leg, left leg, okay. So this was a basic major that I was able to catch. If you have any other doubt on a personal level in this Guru Vandana when you were practicing it, you can ask.
लास्ट वाला इज वो जब आलाप एंड का जो आलाप है उसमें यही होता है ये जो गुरु वंदना वाला या ये
Okay.
वाला मैं
Yes.
भूल गई
Yeah, the second one. So in the last alap, both the hands up, same like Guru Ra Brahman में जैसे हम कर रहे हैं, and then we are taking 2 rounds, complete 2 rounds, and then we are just that movement that we do in the Bhumi Pranam. So we are just doing this, bringing it on the front, and then just little
ठीक है।
bow down.
बेला ने भी मुझसे पूछा था लेकिन मुझे खुद को ही नहीं मालूम था तो इसलिए मैंने फिर उसको जवाब नहीं दिया।
Yeah. In this movement, Navni, I have observed when you were doing it, so your hands were almost here, like just in front of your face and somewhere. So just stretch it up, okay? ऊपर की तरफ, जैसा हम every time कर रहे हैं ना, गुरुर ब्रह्मा गुरुर विष्णु में हाथ ऊपर करके 2 चक्कर ले रहे हैं. So the same 2 rounds we are repeating in the last alarm. Okay? ठीक है. Anything else?
आपने बोला था वो जो तस्मै श्री वो गुरुवे नमः के टाइम जब एक हाथ ऐसे है और दूसरा हाथ ऐसे है तो वो अराल में रहना है ना?
Yes, हाँ, दोनों हाथ हमारे अराल में रहेंगे. Both the hands will be in aral when we are in the nikas position. Okay, so we call it nikas, this question.
मुझे तो बिल्कुल मतलब मैं कर ही नहीं पाई हूँ, मुझे तो आई एम फीलिंग सो लॉस्ट. मतलब माय वीडियो वाज ऑन एंड आई सेड नहीं हो रहा है तो कोई बात नहीं, अब मैं ऑफ नहीं कर रहा. जस्ट स्टूड स्टैंडिंग एंड वाचिंग एवरीबॉडी. एंड फिर व्हेन आई सॉ कि पीपल लाइक जिन्होंने उस दिन टाइम से ज्वाइन कर लिया था तब भी नहीं कर पा रहे, सो आई गो थोड़ा मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस आया अपनी नाकामी पर.
ये अच्छा था प्रिया. ओके, नहीं सुप्रिया, आप थोड़ा समय मिल पाया आपको कल थोड़ा उसको प्रैक्टिस करने का? और
मैंने एक्चुअली भूमि प्रणाम ये सब तो प्रैक्टिस किया था, पर पता नहीं ये वाला मुझे थोड़ा सा मतलब डिफिकल्ट सा लग रहा था. मतलब शायद ऐसा होता है कि जब रेगुलर उसमें देखिए ना तो वो ज्यादा मुझे लगता है कैच करना आसान होता है.
राइट. हाँ, क्योंकि अगर आप पूरा एक तरीके से उसको देखेंगे तो हो सकता है कि अरे ये कैसे हुआ, ये कैसे हुआ, बट वो बिट्स एंड पीसेस में जब वो बनते हुए आ रहा होता है तो इट्स इजी टू कैच एंड टू लर्न. राइट, कोई बात नहीं, आप कर लेना, है ना, उसको धीरे धीरे करके एक एक लाइन 2 लाइन हर दिन में या कुछ भी ऐसा, है ना? हो जाएगा. अदरवाइज इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं है गुरु बनना. ओके, एक बार और करें, वन मोर टाइम.
बस एक चीज, जब आपने बोला लास्ट एंड आपने ऊपर हाथ करके 2 बार ही राउंड लेना है, उसके बाद ऊपर आपके हाथ नहीं दिख रहे थे.
हाँ, तो ये ऐसे था ना, तो सेम लाइक, हाँ,
मूवमेंट
ये ऐसा है, घुमाया जैसे भूमि प्रणाम में करते हैं और फिर नीचे लाए और फिर झुक गए नीचे, एज इन ऑलमोस्ट देवस्थान पोजीशन लेकर, एंड देन
वो हाथ तो ऊपर प्रणाम में है ना?
यस,
उसको फिर
या तो वो ऐसे आपका हाथ है ऊपर, है ना, उसी को ही फिर वहीं से कलाई को आपस में जोड़ेंगे एंड देन दोबारा से.
हाँ,
ठीक है. आइए, वन मोर टाइम, लेट्स प्रैक्टिस गुरु वंदना विद अ स्माइल.
गुरवे नमः.
अनु वो गुरु साक्षात पर ब्रह्मा
नहीं, गुरुर साक्षात ऊपर आया, and then पर ब्रह्मा में we came back on the front, and then पर ब्रह्मा, this movement.
दोनों अराल में,
Both the hands in aral, yes.
एक मिनट, हाँ ये गुरु
साक्षात
पर ब्रह्मा, ब्रह्मा में वापस ऐसे आ जाएंगे.
हाँ, so actually गुरु साक्षात के बाद ना बिल्कुल माइनर सा एक पॉज है उसमें, बिल्कुल छोटा सा. so उस पॉज में बेसिकली हम लोग सामने आ जाएंगे, and then while doing par brahma, so we are sitting and this movement is going almost together. Yes, and we will keep our eyes closed. In this movement, Satya, I also observed you are doing it, from top to bottom like this. So you are doing like this, but we have to go up.
और पैर कैसे रहेंगे? राइट घुटना नीचे रहेगा या लेफ्ट?
कोई भी चलेगा, just balance, कोई भी.
नीचे वाला हाथ यहाँ पर.
हाँ, almost near your navel. Yes, but we are not touching our body. So just yes, little far from your body. Yes, correct. Okay. One thing, when we all are making nikas, so let's do it. Maybe we can do the nikas just by sitting only. We don't need to stand up. So the position of nikas is what basically. So if we are making the nikas of right side, okay, I try to do your mirror image. Okay, so this is right, let's say for now. So here this hand should be on the shoulder level. Okay, and this hand will be in aral and palm facing downward. Okay, Satya, bring it this hand on the shoulder level. It is little down now, just on the shoulder level, little up. You can keep your hand little up. Yes, and the another hand is like this, and the another hand ka palm facing the ceiling. Okay, upward. So this hand, which is on the shoulder level, the palm facing downward, and the another hand ka palm is facing the ceiling this way. Okay. And same with the another side when you are doing it on this side, on the left. So the left hand will be on the shoulder level, palm facing downward in aral, and तो ये थोड़ा सा उसको diagonal हो. Instead of doing it on the front, we are doing it little corner. Yes, and the another hand ka palm facing the ceiling. Yes, and Lakshna, you can keep your neck straight, है ना? Instead of doing this, we can keep our neck straight and just simply look like this. Instead of looking like this, we are looking like this. Yes.
अनु ट्रांजिशन बताएंगे? ये this is how it is, right?
तस्मै श्री.
अब यहाँ से फिर इन दोनों को टर्न करना है.
हाँ, so ये हाथ इधर आया आपका, आपने तस्मै श्री, ये हाथ इधर, ठीक है, and then दूसरा हाथ is just साइड से घूम के ऊपर. Yes, उस हाथ को हम छेड़ ही नहीं रहे, वो वहीं पर ही है ना? इधर राइट और लेफ्ट. Yeah. Yes. Yes, and it will be good if you can follow your that hand which is going back, है ना? So if it is going down, so it is like same for the you remember we have learned the hastak number 4. So the side say that we do the 0, right? The hastak 4. So it is the same movement of hastak 4. It's similar to that. Okay, and the same that we follow our hand in the hastak 4, the same way we are following it in this nikas. Yes. Yeah. ठीक है. आइए. So now let's do a little bit of tatkar and hastak and tihai and then chakkar, your favorite chakkar. Let me just give me a moment. I just beats on kar leti hu. Okay, it's here. आइए, let's do the tatkar. You can स्क्रीन थोड़ा डाउन कर दीजिए so that I can see a good movement. बेला, you can come little closer to the screen. थोड़ा नजदीक आ जाओ स्क्रीन के, पैर बहुत दूर. हाँ, अभी ठीक है. चलिए, make some push. आइए. 3, 2, 1, start. सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, तत, 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 सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, second speed. सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, तत, 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 सा, थे, तत, आ, थे.
आपकी आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है.
Okay, is it audible now? आइए. सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, तत, 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 सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, third speed. सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, तत, सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, तत, सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, तत, सा, थे, तत, सा, थे, तत, आ, 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 थे, सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, तत, सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, तत, सा, थे, तत, सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, तत, सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, तत, सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, तत, सा, थे, तत, सा, थे, तत, आ, 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 थे, सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, तत, सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, तत, सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, तत, सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, तत, सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, तत, सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, तत, सा, थे, तत, तिहाई. सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, तत, सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, तत, थे, सा, थे, सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, तत, सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, तत, थे, सा, थे, सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, तत, सा, थे, तत, आ, थे, तत, थे, सा, थे. Okay, we'll do tihai one more time. ठीक है? Bella, when we are doing theta thi, so keep your seat in V shape only. Okay? तो अभी क्या हो रहा है, थीटा थी करते हुए पैर थोड़ा दूर हो जाता है राइट लेग. ठीक है, तो वी शेप में रहेगा. ठीक है, आइए तिहाई वन मोर टाइम. डायरेक्ट तिहाई उठाएंगे. वी विल डू डायरेक्टली तिहाई. 3, 2, 1, स्टार्ट. ta thi thi tat a thi thi tat ta thi thi tat a thi thi tat thi ta thi tat a thi thi tat ta thi thi tat a thi thi tat thi ta thi tat a thi thi tat ta thi thi tat a thi thi tat thi ta thi. Okay. What was the hand movement in Tihai? हस्तक क्या था तिहाई के साथ?
फर्स्ट में तो ये वाला था कि आगे, सेकंड टाइम में आई थिंक ये वाला था.
Yes.
एंड थर्ड में 1 2 and 3.
Yes, very good, Priya. है ना? So ताथी थे तर आथी थे तर ताथी थे तर आथी थे तर थे ता थे, है ना? Let's do it with the movement. Okay, चलिए. 3, 2, 1, start. ताथी थे तर आथी थे तर ताथी थे तर आथी थे तर थे ताथी थे तर आथी थे तर ताथी थे तर आथी थे तर थे ता थे ताथी थे तर आथी थे तर ताथी थे तर आथी थे तर थे ता थे. एक बार और, वन मोर टाइम. ठीक है? नहीं, नीचे से आएगा दीदी जी. थे नीचे, देन ता ऊपर,
ता
थे. यस यस. ठीक है? वन मोर टाइम विद द मूवमेंट. Hands and leg will go together. Okay, चलिए. 3, 2, 1, start. ताथी थे तत आथी थे तत ताथी थे तत आथी थे तत थे ताथी थे तत आथी थे तत ताथी थे तत आथी थे तत थे ताथी थे तत आथी थे तत ताथी थे तत आथी थे तत थे ता थे.
First one is upper and niche. Second one is this round one.
Yes.
Third one?
No, so there is no third one. So there are two pairs of tatkar. Tathi thetat, ati thetat, tathi thetat, ati thetat. So in the first pair, we are doing the first pair of hastak. And in the second pair, we are doing this hastak. And then the theta the comes. Yes. Okay. One more time. Last time, then we will move towards the hastak. चलिए. 3, 2, 1, start. ताथी थे तत आथी थे तत ताथी थे तत आथी थे तत थे ताथी थे तत आथी थे तत ताथी थे तत आथी थे तत थे ताथी थे तत आथी थे तत ताथी थे तत आथी थे तत थे ता थे. ओके.
एक मिनट. जो दोनों both the sets are similar.
No. So okay. So we are doing Tihai, right? So Tihai is a set of syllables that we repeat 3 times, है ना? So the first set of Tihai that have 2 pairs of tatkar, है ना? Tati thetat, ati thetat, tathi thetat, ati thetat, है ना? So in the first pair, we are doing first hand movement, correct? In the second pair, we are doing third hand movement, and then this theta the, right? And this complete thing we are repeating 3 times as it is. Tathi thetat, athi the. Okay, or maybe I can show you Tihai, complete Tihai, है ना? So you just observe once and then maybe it will be helpful. Yes. So the Tihai goes like this. Athi thetat, ati thetat, tathi thetat, ati thetat, 3, ta, thi, ta, thi, thi, tat, ta, thi, thi, tat, ta, thi, thi, tat, ta, thi, thi, tat, thi, ta, thi, ta, thi, thi, tat, ta, thi, thi, tat, ta, thi, thi, tat, ta, thi, thi, tat, thi, ta, thi. Okay, we are ending it here only. है ना? So the first set, second set, and then thi, ta, thi, and this complete thing we are repeating 3 times as it is. Okay. आइए, one more time. Let's try. 3, 2, 1, start. Athi thetat, athi thetat, tathi thetat, athi thetat, the, a. Athi thetat, athi thetat, tathi thetat, athi thetat, the, a. The, athi thetat, athi thetat, tathi thetat, athi thetat, the, ta, the. Yes, it's perfect now. लक्षणा, मूवमेंट एकदम ठीक हो रहा है आपका, हस्तक एकदम ठीक हो रहा है, अभी तो लगाओ साथ में, ठीक है? पैर नहीं लग रहा, अपर बॉडी से हो रहा है वो एकदम ठीक है, पैर लगाओगे तो कंप्लीट हो जाएगा वो, ठीक है? आइए, नाउ लेट्स प्रैक्टिस द हैंड मूवमेंट्स. ओके, जस्ट रिवाइज इट वेरी क्विकली. व्हाट वाज द फर्स्ट हैंड मूवमेंट? नो मुद्रा हैंड मूवमेंट. प्रिया, हस्तक. यस, ऊपर. Then second one, side. Yes, very good. No, Satya. Second one is directly side, not this, but this. Yes. Then the third one is, yes, round from the front with a single hand. Okay. And then the fourth one is make a zero towards side. है ना? Or we will be doing all these 4 hastaks in all the 3 speeds, and then in the end we will do the tihai again. Okay. Aye. Take a position for the hastak. चलिए. 3, 2, 1, start. Ta, hey, hey, tat, a, hey.